Hey guys, it's PJ. Well, here's the thermostat I'm working on. I had a blower not working call, so we've turned the fan up here to on. We're gonna go check that out, and I'm gonna walk back and forth a couple times, just run a couple things through its paces, and then we'll go to the furnace and show you what we did here. So let's get back to where we're going. This is the garage we're working in. Okay, so there's our 5-ton Bard condensing unit. Running good. There's our 100,000 BTU Bard gas, early 90% furnaces. It's a CH series. That's a match system. Humidifier over there. Double return. Thermostat. Okay. What I want to show you is I went and got a factory replacement part. Okay. Here's the old board. It was a Honeywell board. What went wrong with it was, I don't know if we'll be able to see this or not, but right there, it's burnt right there, and one of the thermistors looks like got a little overheated right here, or hot on both sides. It's hard to tell, but anyhow, so what it was doing was the contactor wasn't engaging, turn the fan on. Okay, they noticed it was iced up and they had some problems. So I get a factory replacement part. And timer conversion kit. Straight from Bard Manufacturing Company in Bryan, Ohio. Okay? And what they gave me, this factory replacement part, is Honeywell's Universal. But supposedly, it's programmed just for Bard. Yeah, okay. So, you know, they come with all these little jumper splices. Screws, double terminal clips. There's more than that. I don't know what I did with them. It's even more. So, and I used to carry one of these just because the amount of furnaces that this thing will cover is like really nice. Well, there's all the different Honeywell models that it would cross-reference to, but there is a cross-reference in here of the different furnaces that this thing will go on, and it's actually, well, here's one of the pages. So, if that'll focus in or not, kinda, not really, sort of. So, Ream, Trade, I think that's supposed to say Train, Armstrong, Duquesne, Snyder, Nordine, York, Armstrong ICP, Bard, Goodman, Skymark, ICP, Trade, Consolidated, more Duquesne, Armstrong. But there's, I think they said there's like 100, over 100 furnaces that this will work with. This board here. Okay. So this is all fine and dandy, but here's what I don't like. I don't care for, they give you all these little jumpers like this to extend your wire, which is nice and it makes it easy, blah blah blah, but look at this thing. Look at this. How's that look? I don't like the look of it. It just looks like not a professional clean job. And then plus you got all these connectors that can very easily look like they're getting ready to touch each other, and I just got a problem with leaving it like this. I don't think I can do it. So what I am gonna do, I am gonna cut those connections and I'm gonna put a wire nut on them. And I know, and maybe it's anal or maybe it's not necessary, but boy, I just don't feel comfortable leaving it like that. The board itself, I like it, and it's nice. Now, since Bard puts their name on it, they charge about an extra $75 from what you can just go get this board for. Just buying the straight board without the little Bard box on it. I thought it was going to be a direct replacement when I picked it up, and I didn't realize it until I got back here to the job, or I would have probably just bought the just the universal and did it on my own. And one thing they do provide, Bard does, is a new sticker for the inside of your door, just for which one you have. Yeah, you pick your model number, you get your model number off your furnace and what size it is, and put the right schematic inside the door for the next guy or for you when you come back, whatever. So that's nice. And it comes with the book, and then Bard puts their puts a little instruction manual in there. Disconnect to wire 1 and reconnect on spot 1, blah blah blah. Pretty easy, self-explanatory. So anyhow, I just wanted to show you that, and you guys tell me what you think, but like I said, I just really don't like the look of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these, and plus I don't like having an open terminal just hanging out in there with all the vibration, and you know, they're just so close to each other, and I just, seems like you're going to be replacing that fuse quite a bit. So I'm going to cut that, get some wire nuts, or wire nut those up, and then get some tie straps in here and clean this up. Head on down the road. Well, I didn't get any more shots of cleaning that up. I was in, homeowners in there talking to me about the whole time. Here's the first floor of that garage we're working in. It's a 2-story garage. There's another garage up here around the corner. There's another garage there. There's another garage over there. There's another garage around the back, I believe. There's another Bard unit there. I think there's a total of 17 condensing units here. There's the house. Spanned across the property. I think there, he said there was, oh, there's 12 buildings here. So, and he said he was very interested in learning more about water source geothermal. So, I'm pretty happy about that. I'm going to come back here next week and go over some stuff with him. So there's another building back there, some sort of garage. couple garages over there, there's a pool over there, basketball court, tennis court. So, kind of upscale kind of place, I guess. And there's their pond. There's the gate that I was coming through, but he opened this one for me so I can get in and out. And there's his pond. Nope, thought you guys would like to see that. We'll talk to you later. Have a good day, guys.